Distributors must be vigilant in deciding whether a pharmacy can be trusted to deliver narcotics only for a lawful purpose. A distributor must not simply rely on the fact that a pharmacy has a DEA license that is placing a suspicious order and turn a blind eye to suspicious circumstances. That's the DEA, 2005-2006, initiative warning. We've got a problem. Your drugs are getting out on the street. And it says even just one distributor that uses its DEA registration to facilitate the non-medical use of prescription drugs can cause enormous harm in the community. You're going to see some of these folks and the enormous harm that it caused. And so what was the response? What was McKesson, Cardinal, and Smith's response? Well, the evidence will not be that they said, you know what, this is serious, we see it, we know what's going on, so we're going to stop selling as many. We may not make as much money, but that's what we're going to do, because when we applied for a DEA license, that's what we said we were going to do, follow the law. What was their response to the dramatic rise of prescription drug abuse and the years of DEA warnings? It was a flood. They flooded this state and this community with opioids. 2005 initiative, 2006, don't do it, please, you're the choke point. 2007 on, flood. These are the numbers. The Georgia flood, McKesson, Cardinal, Smith. In 2006, in Georgia, they distributed 45 million oxycodone pills in the state of Georgia. That's a lot. That's a lot with a population of around 10 million. And in 2012, double, 90 million oxycodone pills. If you add that to the hydrocodone pills, that's 222 million oxycodone and hydrocodone pills, enough for every man, woman, child, whatever in the state of Georgia to have 22 pills. Okay, the distributors knew. They knew their opioids were going to addicts and getting sold on the street in this community. They knew the consequences of their unlawful actions: addiction, family, community death, destruction, and it's sitting right out here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a case about breaking the law. This is a case about profits over people. This is a case about greed. It's a case about greed.